comfy thing. Ah! Hi guys, it's Sophia, and today I'm super excited for this video. And just heads up, it's my birthday today as you watch this, but I'm actually filming this over a week earlier. But yeah, that's kind of crazy, and I can't believe my birthday came this soon. It's like, what? What? Next year I'm 16? Like, what? Anyway, to celebrate my birthday, I'm gonna open a present. My grandma got me some pretty cool shoes that I asked for, and I know what they are because she asked me what I wanted and I said that. They came early, so I'm just gonna open them because I probably want to wear them soon for my birthday. In a way, I feel bad opening them because like they're wrapping paper and stuff and it's all cute, like birthday festive, but it's fine. Grammy, please forgive me for opening them early. They're just adorable present. I'm not gonna open the card on camera. So it's just really, oh my gosh, it's so cute. Adorable box. I'll put it on my head and distract you guys the entire video. This is my first birthday present I'm ever opening this year.
Thanks, right? Yeah.
I've never opened a Nike box before, so I didn't even know what it looked like. Oh yeah, I didn't even tell you guys it was Nike. You guys are surprised, except the title's gonna say it. Ooh! It's a Nike shoe. Annoying. I got size 7.5 in women's. They are women's Nike Tanjun, black and white. And I've kind of wanted these for a while, and I do need like good running shoes and stuff. Hopefully they're good running. So thank you so much, Grammy. I love them, and I'll try them on. Well, I only took one out. Wow. Okay. Socks are kind of gross, but I like to go with them. Ooh. Ew, this sock ruins the whole look. I'm sorry, guys. I'll give you a better montage with cuter socks. They feel like a good size. Yeah, my toe's like right there. My leg is bent a lot. Like, it makes me like tall. Here they are. My sock looks very gross colored compared to the white. Whoa, I feel really tall. Why? They're comfortable. I bet I could run with them. Because Converse, like, after I wear Converse for at least like 2 hours, my Converse, I get like a blister on like the side of my toe. So I'm assuming these are not going to do that. And I'm going to wear them probably to like Soulfest. Stay tuned for those vlogs. We're at Soulfest as you're watching this video. OMG! We're watching for King Country probably as you're watching this. Haha, jealous are we? Here's a montage we are going to film who knows when. So much for watching my shoe unboxing / birthday present. Thank you so much, Grammy, for giving this to me. It is awesome, and I like the paper too. And the puff. I don't know what I'm doing on my birthday today. Happy birthday to my future self. Hello, future self. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, thank you very much. Be sure to like this video and give it a thumbs up, which is the same thing. Get my permit in 3 days. What? So yeah, thank you for that. I said to subscribe and get us to 350 by the first day of school. Yeah. Talk to you later, people. Bye-bye!